Hello and welcome to the first episode of Your Digital Self. Today I want to talk to you about Mars and how we might visit the planet pretty soon. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and second smallest one in our solar system. It was named after a Roman god of war, and it's also called the Red Planet, due to reddish iron oxide that covers most of its surface. Why Mars? Why not? We've often entertained the idea to go there, and there are plenty of good reasons to visit the planet. Most enticing ones boil down to potential for numerous great discoveries. We've sent robots before, but they can only do so much. By learning from the formation of Mars, we could also discover a great deal about our own planet. We might even end up finding life out there. In one of my previous articles, I wrote about Mars One mission and how it might have what it takes to fly us out there, but sadly that might not happen. Well, not everything is lost thanks to NASA.
By the mid-2030s, I believe we can send humans to orbit Mars and return them safely to Earth. And a landing on Mars will follow, and I expect to be around to see it.
NASA is closer to sending American astronauts to Mars than at any point in our history, said NASA Administrator Charles Bolden. Using a magical mix of science, exploration, and technology, they plan to send humans to Mars in less than 15 years from now. Isn't that cool? As you probably know, NASA already has the Mars Science Laboratory Curiosity rover out there, taking selfies, samples, and more, all in the name of science. It's also measuring radiation, and that data will be used to create better suits and shields for the astronauts who end up exploring the planet. A vessel that will most likely take them there is the Orion pressure vessel. It is currently undertaking a series of tests and upgrades necessary to prepare it for its maiden voyage in 2018. NASA mission to Mars isn't just one disjointed effort, but rather a result of overcoming three distinct challenges. First challenge, called Earth-Reliant Exploration, is focused on research aboard the International Space Station. Second stage, dubbed Proving Grounds, will have the astronauts sent on missions in cislunar space, where they will evaluate and upgrade the tech and know-how required for humans to live and work in space. This knowledge will be used during the Stage 3, called Earth-Independent Activities. In this final stage, discoveries and knowledge accumulated from their previous projects will be used to successfully launch manned missions to one of Red Planet's moons, low Mars orbit, and finally on the planet's surface. This is just a rough draft, and detailed info about the entire endeavor can be found at this link, so make sure to go there and learn all about it. What do you think about Journey to Mars? Let me know in the comments section below, and also join me on Wall Street Journal's Market Watch, where I'm a weekly tech columnist, by clicking this link. Feel free to subscribe, like or dislike this video, and stay tuned for more.